Have you ever wondered how apps seem to know what you like or how computers can answer questions almost like humans? That's because of something called artificial intelligence. Welcome to SmartieLand, where we make smart topics super simple. Today we'll learn artificial intelligence and machine learning in the easiest way possible. Artificial intelligence, or AI, means teaching computers to think and solve problems like humans. For example, humans can recognize a dog when they see one, so scientists teach computers to do the same thing. Once the computer learns the pattern, it can recognize animals, faces, objects, and even voices. AI is already everywhere around us. Examples: YouTube recommending videos, chatbots answering questions, so every day you are already using AI without even realizing it. But here's the interesting part. How do computers actually learn? The answer is something called machine learning. Machine learning is when computers learn from data instead of being given fixed instructions. After seeing enough examples, the computer can recognize a dog by itself. In normal software, programmers write every rule, but in machine learning, the computer studies lots of data and figures out the rules itself. AI and machine learning are helping doctors detect diseases, improving cars, creating smart assistants, and making technology more powerful. And in the future, these technologies will become even more important. This was just the beginning of understanding AI. In our next video on SmartieLand, we'll explain something even cooler. We'll use simple visuals so anyone can easily understand how deep learning works. So if you want the next video soon, make sure to like this video. If you enjoyed learning with SmartieLand, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share with your friends.